In this tutorial, as a production operator, you'll learn to search for an order on a dispatch list and complete the work order and its operations using the Quick Complete action. You can complete a work order operation using the Quick Complete action. Open the Work Execution work area. In the Tasks pane, click the Review Dispatch List link. A dispatch list displays released work orders with operation quantities in various statuses. Expand the search region. Specify a work area and work centers. Select the Ready status, then click Search. Select the row for this work order and work order operation sequence 10 with quantity 10 in the Ready status. Expand this row. The quantity to be completed defaults to the ready quantity. Click Quick Complete for Operation 10. A confirmation message is displayed to indicate that you have completed the specific quantity at Operation 10. The simple Quick Complete action initiates background processes that backflush materials, charge resources, and perform work order costing. Now, the quantity after completion moves to the next operation. Now, you expand the work order and work order operation sequence 30. Click Quick Complete. A confirmation message is displayed to indicate that you have now completed the specific quantity at Operation 30. Now, all the work order operations for this work order are completed, so this work order is no longer in the dispatch list for work orders in the Ready status. In the Search region, select the Complete status and click Search. The work order now appears in the dispatch list with all operation quantities in the Complete status. Click a link for this work order to review its work order details. Note that the status of the work order is completed. Now, move on to the details on the Operations tab. Note that the quantities are now in the Complete status in the work order operations. Now, you have successfully executed and completed the work order using the Quick Complete action. Thank you for watching this video.